Today I'm gonna be playing the Press the Button 4. Yeah, it's a Roblox classic, which is I like the game, which is pretty cool. Alright, we gotta get the balls to the other side. Come on, team, push through it. Oh wait, how do I do this? Oh, okay. As you can tell, I'm not very good at this game. Crap. No. No. Come on. Crap. Well, I don't think we're gonna make it. Yep, we lost. That's great. That's really great. Well, at least I got my money. Get ready. Alright, what am I getting ready for? Who knows? What? Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't see the text that says get on the blue pad. Yeah, that's great. Alright, on the next game. Oh, Spleef. Alright, I could try this. I'm just gonna do the strat that there is in Fall Guys, where you just jump and then yeah. Okay. No. Okay, I made it to the orange. Crap. Okay, it's gonna maintain my position. Just go slow. Okay, that was not good. Okay. Wait, I'm losing. I won. Yes, my first victory in this game. Oh crap. Candy. Where am I finding the candy? Oh, they're coming out the sky. Okay, I get it. Ice cream. I got one. Cake. No, she took it. Oh, lollipop. Nice. 2. Oh, they're not. 3. Okay. Oh, cake. No, he's gonna take it. Okay. Oh, there's a no. Oh, lollipop. No, what? How? For this game, everyone was taking that. Okay. Let's see. What happened? Oh, ew. What? Did someone poop their pants or something? Oh, red light, bro. Oh crap. See, this is why I wouldn't survive in Squid Game. Easy. Okay. 1. No. Okay. When it's green light, just stop. Okay? That's what I'm trying to do. I didn't even move. Oh, this game is scamming me. Okay, I stopped. Nice. Continue going. Stop early. Nice. Okay, I lost. Okay. Watch out, what am I watching out for? Oh my god, there's a big loaf of bread. No, that's potatoes. Stand still in 1 second. Alright. Standing still. Okay. Oh wait, is this a dropper? Oh no, it's like an elevator. It's like a slower version of a dropper. Okay. I can do this. It's easy. As long as it doesn't get faster. Alright, I'm just dropping my money. Just flexing. What if I eat this or drink it? Oh no, my head's on fire. I don't think this is a good thing. Okay, now I'm spinning rapidly. Look, I don't think this should be sold to anybody anymore. I made it. Dodge the lasers. What lasers? Oh, okay, I see him. What? Well, I'm not really good at dodging lasers, but yeah. Alright, the laser game's done. Let's see. I'm tiny now. What if I drink these hot sauce while I'm tiny? I just go spinning. Okay. Oh my god. Yo. What's happening? This is crazy. Alright, can we press the button? Run? Where are we running to? Okay. We're just running for no reason. Makes total perfect sense. Alright, I'm running. But they call me the Flash. What is happening? Actually, no, the Flash would run very faster than this, but yeah, that's cool. What the? Wait. Why did I run so fast at the end? Acid is spreading. Okay. I think I should just stay over here. Because it's technically above the acid. Yes, okay. That's cool. Nice. Alright. Please get the coin. I'm too short for the coin. The mysterious cave. Okay, I'll get the coin later. But I don't like being this small. Reach the top. Okay, I understand it. Wait, can I go under since I'm tiny? That'd be... I can! That's a cheat code. Nice. I'm just jumping. Don't jump. Okay, go. Go. Wait, is it gonna roll? I don't know. I made it. You know what? I'm gonna reset to so I don't get so I'm not tiny anymore. I don't like being tiny. I won. Yippee. Alright, next game. What is this? Get to the end. Alright, we'll get to the end. I'll try to at least. Oh, okay. Okay, easy. Nice. We made it. Now we're just waiting for these people to make it. They made it. Alright. Now it's just that. Let go. Alright, we made it. Nice. I'd say I'm pretty unlucky, but I'm just gonna collect these coins. What is happening? We're getting trapped. I'll be right here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, we made it. Okay. Enter the castle. This castle is straight out of Frozen. What is that? Okay, this is very slippery. Alright, slow and steady wins the race. Okay. I'm going too fast. I need to slow down. Right. What happens if I have this? I don't think this was a good idea. Yep, no. Oh crap. Oh, I'm spinning. Okay. I don't know why I thought that was a idea I needed to exist, but yep. Oh look, a treasure chest. Nice. Plus 5 points. Easy points. Okay. Choose a side. I'm gonna go blue. Since what? Since blue is pretty good color. Yellow. Nice. Okay. Wait. I can see some letters over there. Okay. I died. Oh. Alright, we made it. Watch out. Why? Just why? There was no reason for that to exist. Watch out. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna do one more game. Let's see. What is there gonna be? Watch out. Why am I watching out so much? I think I don't even know, man. Oh crap. Yo, wait. Yo, I'm friendly, bro. I'm friendly. Yo, chill. I'm just a guy. Yo, chill. Please. Okay. Well, I had fun in this game. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.